religion have visited me many times to talk about it. They say to me, I gotta leave her, I gotta leave her. It's a bad habit for a man.